Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive, stock number Z9784XX. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, semi-white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, again only 20,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.